Alright guys, today I want to do a full review and unboxing on my new GoPro Battery Charger. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and check it out. It's this one right here. That's pretty cool. So it fits a total of 3 batteries. So if you're like me, like I can go through these really quickly. I have the Hero 10 Black. This will work with all the GoPro Heroes 9 and up. So if you have those, this will definitely work for them. And what's also cool is it comes with 3 batteries of its own. And the charger right here. So let's just hook it up. We'll use one of the batteries on my GoPro and then we'll go from there. So we'll just go ahead and hook this up. There you go. Has 3 LED lights on there and back here as well, letting you know that it's ready to go. All right, let's check out these batteries. We'll charge 2 of them. All right, and that's how it looks like when they're charging. And then so it looks like it might have enough juice to power it on. So let's just go ahead and put the last one into the actual GoPro. Seal that up. There it is. Ready to go. It's just giving me an alert about my SD card. No worries there. But so you can see they work just fine. Like I said, from GoPro Hero 9 and up, you'll be just fine. And what's also really cool about all 3 of these batteries, including the one that I have in the GoPro, is that they're 1800 milliamp hours on them. That'll get you about 70 minutes at 4K 60 frames per second. So like I said, not bad at all. And what's cool is, like I said, you have all 3 in rotation. And then if you don't want to have them plugged in, this can serve like as a little carrying case and it'll keep the batteries nice and secure in here. This is also safe, like if you just want to charge them through like your Type-C from your vehicle, or like I said, or the wall outlet, or you could even use it with like a portable power bank. This is usually how I do it. I'll just plug this into this and then I'll have it in my backpack, especially like when we're out and about. It's just easier to keep these batteries charged. So really cool. So if you're looking for an awesome GoPro charger, definitely look into this one. Definitely recommend.